Introducing the SwitchBot. Now you can control any switch remotely from your smartphone, smartwatch, or the internet. Turning on your bedside lamp has never been so easy. Get your morning coffee self-served. Never miss your favorite TV show. Remotely turn on or off your computer whenever you need it. Feed your lovely pet while you're away at the touch of a smartphone button. With the SwitchBot, everything is done using one single, simple click. Enjoy more time curled up in bed and let the SwitchBot do your busy work. SwitchBot is equipped with a 3M VHB tape. Just tape it and you're done. No additional tools required. The SwitchBot works with your smartphone or your smartwatch. No need to worry about multiple bots. Our smartphone app can handle every bot at once. Thanks to our patent-pending design, the SwitchBot can relay commands to multiple bots, even when your smartphone is out of Bluetooth range. Switch Hub, it enables the SwitchBot to connect with the internet. No hassle, no mess, for greater convenience and streamlined functionality. It takes one switch to do everything and make your life that much easier. SwitchBot supports any IFTTT event that gives you freedom to set your own custom rules. Get complete wireless control of all your outlets and switches. The SwitchBot is always at your service. Keep everything under your own control with the SwitchBot and make your life that much easier, better, smarter.
Moe's is proud to announce a new addition to its smart product line of electronics, the WT series of smart dimmer switches. The smart dimmer's multifunction rocker requires only a touch to activate its switch, if you wish to operate it manually. The rocker also features its ability to dim your lights by gently gliding your finger up and down its length to choose any lighting mood you desire. Along the center of the touch panel are 7 LEDs equidistantly arranged that illuminate to indicate the intensity of your lighting choice. And at the base of the rocker, a tiny LED indicator glows when the switch is off to guide you to its location in a darkened room. After you install it in your home, connect it with Alexa or Google Home, and then you'll enjoy a complete hands-free voice control. Just give your controlled light a name, like living room light or bedroom light. And to turn it on, you would say, Alexa, turn on the bedroom light. To make full use of its smart functions, you only need to connect your switch with the Smart Life app in your phone. Once successfully connected via Wi-Fi or 4G, you can control your lights anywhere or anytime. In addition, there is a schedule setting in the Smart Life app. You set a schedule and it will automatically turn on or off your lights wherever you are. The light can even be synced with the sunrise or the sunset. Beautifully designed, expertly engineered, and all produced at our own factory, we believe that the Moe's WT03S Smart Switch is the product that will meet all your needs.